Alright, got the Freewing Oak Crow back on deck, and today we're coming out on a China Hobby 3700 4S 30C discharge. The manual on this calls for anywhere from a 3600 to a 4000. So I've only flown it once on a 4000, and I got a couple flights on 3300s, which was definitely too light. So let's give this a try. Gonna go low on ailerons and mid on the elevator and rudder. Alright, taking off. Gears are up. Probably have to retrim this. High speed in front of us here. 16.0 volts, current 7 amps. Slow pass. Altitude 94 feet, current 18. That's about half throttle. And if you watch the other flights on this, the warbling noise was the Vario, which I could definitely see that coming in handy with a sailplane or something, but or a glider. But don't really need it on a powered warbird, I don't think. 130 feet. I would have estimated that a little lower, maybe 80. I actually have a GPS logger. I should charge that up, put it in the plane, and try to compare it. 108 feet. Try a big roll. All right, sir. We're gonna go east-west. Altitude 118 feet, current 21 amps. Flight pack 14.8 volts, altitude 40 feet, current 18 amps, time remaining 1. Well, I got a 3700 milliamp in it now, and it seems to be doing a lot better than the 3300 CG wise. Looking forward to try it on that 4000 pack as well. Altitude 98 feet, current 19 amps, 20 seconds. Gear down. There's a gear deployed. I'm going to land, Jim, or attempt to. Flight pack 15.1 volts. Well, it's about a. That was about an ugly approach, I can tell you that. Time expired. Looks good from here. Well, you may want to get those cataracts re-examined. You said it looked good from here. Oh yeah, but it came in way too high. But I will take it. Altitude 10 feet. Current 3 amps. Yeah, they're pretty bright. Time to start. Is that P-51 working out better for you? Well, I still think if you told me I could have this one or that Force RC, I think I'd take the Force RC. The only real good thing on this one is the lights and the compression struts. But as far as flying, I don't really think it flies as well.